Hey guys, Mark here, and today I'll be showing you how to do just about everything with the Sony WH-1000xm3s. These headphones are super hot right now and are selling out everywhere. If you haven't checked out my review of them, definitely do that now by clicking the link up here. But if you're just here to see everything the headphones can do and how to do it, you're in the right place. Let's start with the physical controls.
On the headphones themselves, there are two physical buttons. The first is a power button, and the second is the noise cancelling and ambient noise switcher. If it's your first time using the headphones and you want to pair them via Bluetooth with your phone, make sure the headphones are off and then hold down the power button for 7 seconds. You'll hear a Bluetooth pairing sound and the blue light will start flashing. At this point, you can then connect your headphones to your device in the Bluetooth settings. You'll hear a Bluetooth connected sound once the pairing is complete. To turn off or turn on the headphones, you can hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. If you just tap the power button while the headphones are on though, the assistant will tell you how much battery is left in the headphones. The other button is for controlling the active noise cancelling on the XM3s. By default, the noise cancelling mode is active. Pressing the button once will cycle to ambient noise mode, a mode that allows you to hear everything around you as if you weren't wearing headphones. Pressing it again will deactivate ambient sound control and you'll be left with passive noise cancellation. Repeatedly pressing this button will cycle through all 3 modes. The WH-1000xm3s also have a touchpad built in the right ear cup. Swiping left or right on it will skip songs forwards or backwards. Swiping up and down will change the volume of whatever is playing, and tapping once will play or pause. If you tap and hold in the middle, this will activate Google Assistant or Siri depending on which device you have. Finally, if you cup your hand over the ear cup, ambient sound will activate temporarily and take in sounds from all around you. At the same time, the headphones will turn down your music. This comes in handy if someone is trying to talk to you but you don't want to take off your headphones. Finally, you can connect your headphones to your smart device with NFC if you have a compatible phone. Just turn off NFC on your device and touch the device to the XM3's left ear cup. Bluetooth should then pair immediately. Now let's talk about Sony's headphone app that is pretty much a necessary companion to the WH-1000xm3s. It's called Sony Headphones Connect, and it can be downloaded from the Google Play or iTunes stores. When you open the app, hit the connect button to connect your headphones. Once inside the app, we're greeted with a display of what headphones are connected, how they're connected, and what battery percentage we're on. The first feature of the app is called Adaptive Sound Control. Once you turn it on, it will detect what action you're currently engaged in. Since I'm sitting and not moving around, it will select the staying profile. The whole point of this feature is to automatically switch between noise cancelling profiles depending on what you're doing. Under the staying profile, I can drag the slider to select how much noise cancellation I want, and if I want the noise cancelling to exclude someone speaking or not. There are also profiles for walking, running, and transit, which is helpful because if I'm walking or running, I still want to hear what's going on around me, so I'll select a less aggressive noise cancellation. But if I'm on a busy transit bus, I don't want to hear anything at all, so I'll crank the ANC all the way up. The next feature is the noise cancelling optimizer. The intention of this is to detect if you're high above the ground, like in a plane for example, and tune the noise cancelling to match. Personally, I haven't found much of a difference with this, but you can go ahead and run the test anyway if you like. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Then we have sound position control. By default, it's set to the middle of your head, but if for some reason you want to move the sound behind you, in front of you, or left to your right, you can. The only thing is you need to change the sound quality mode from priority on sound quality to priority on stable connection, and this may degrade the quality of your audio ever so slightly. Unfortunately, for a lot of the features in this app, this has to be the case. Next up is surround mode, where you can switch between a few different presets to alter the music and make it sound as though you're inside one of these areas. The equalizer is next, and you can switch between the presets available or make your own by clicking the cogwheel. There's also a Now Playing tab where you can control your music from whatever app you're using. DCHX is a signal processing mode where Sony attempts to upscale your audio to a much more high quality sound, but again, I don't hear much of a difference in many of my songs. You can change your sound quality mode to either priority on sound quality or stable connection. You can change the function of the ambient button to work with the Google Assistant or Siri instead. And there's an auto power off feature if you forget to turn off your headset when you're done.
So that's the WH-1000xm3s in a nutshell. Let me know if I forgot anything in a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer your question. If this video was helpful, please drop me a like and hit that subscribe button to support my channel. It helps me more than you might think. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.